How to fix DP-06 client timeout error when installing game in Epic Games Launcher. This error shows that there is an issue with preparing the target directory for installation. This can be due to a number of reasons, including user permission issues that may be preventing read/write access to the installation directory. Run the Epic Games Launcher as an administrator. This will ensure that you're able to install games to protected folders on your computer. 1. Right-click on your Epic Games Launcher shortcut. 2. Click on Run as Administrator. Confirm you have read/write access to the folder. 1. Navigate to your selected install location. 2. Right-click and select Properties. 3. Select the Security tab. 4. Select your username in the group or usernames box. 5. Verify that there is a check under Allow beside both Read and Write in the Permissions box. Change the hard drive you are installing your game on. Trying to install your game on another hard drive may resolve this issue for you. You can change the download location after you click Install on any game in your library by clicking Browse.